When activating, we have our default. Step 1, we have a default state, option state, and we create component and prototype. So we are going to start with step 1. So I'm going to have a button. I use text. Okay, I say countries. Okay, I select it and then I do Shift A to create outer layout. After M, I want to use some, increase the frame size a little bit. Okay, we have done the text alignment on the left, so we're going to use the plugin. We want to put a drop down arrow, so we're going to plugins, use echo file, we type Chevron, and then we're going to use any, you can use any, so I'm going to use, I think this one. I just select it and then I drag it to the canvas. Okay, and then I'll just flip it with this one button, and then I drag it there. Okay, select my frame, so there is this reddish something there. We're going to add the space in between it, so we're going to just do the outer, so it follows the frame. So we're going to add stroke in it. Come to a stroke. After there, we want to put a title there. How we're going to use the text. You type there Africa countries. Okay. So we're going to select both of it, and then we do Shift A. It becomes one frame. Because we want the spacing to be less, we're going to reduce here something 10, like that. So step 1. Step 2, we're going to create the options. So we just use this frame, we duplicate, and then we want to create the options, so we use this one, we duplicate it again and again. So to the country, so we're going to this one to edit this one, right? Maybe Kenya. This one Congo. This one, the bad one, we're going to edit it and write Sudan. These are African countries, so we want to remove these icons in the option. Select the 3 frames, we Shift A, total layout, and then use to 0 there. After the frames and the outer layout, we press Shift. Okay, that one, because of this space, we can reduce it to 10. 10. Not like that. That one is the step 2. Because of prototyping, we have to use this one to create the options so that you can prototype. So we're going to use this one. You duplicate it, it's fine. You duplicate it twice. Choose the first one and then the second one. So we're going to change the other countries. We put the Kenya, then we change it into Congo, and then this one we put Sudan. Okay, so we're going, that one we have done here, so we're going to do the component and prototyping. So we're going to select the 3 frames, all the frames, all of those, and then you do create component set. Okay, so we're going to do the prototyping now. So we're going to select prototype, this one, we connect with this one frame, on click, we're going to select individual country, yes, this one Congo will match with this one. Okay, one click of Congo. Okay, then there's this one for Kenya, that one, and then there's this one for Sudan. There, we are done with the prototyping. This one